paper crinkles like shifting sand. Colorful secrets sealed so tight. Unfolding wonders in this soft light. Every pack a little dream. Mystery wrapped in golden gleam. What will shine and what will gleam? I'm chasing stars in this lovely theme. Flip the cards and let them show. Each one a story I want to know. Energy bright or creatures rare. A spark of magic floats in the air. Oh, the thrill, it never dies. Hopes and whispers undersize. Unboxing a moment in a gentle spell, where joy and wonder quietly dwell. Every pack a little dream. Mystery wrapped in golden gleam. What will shine and what will gleam? I'm chasing stars in this lovely theme. Every pull feels so serene. A vivid world lived in between. Let me linger in this glow. With each soft card my peace will grow.